doing here. We're not going to use a skid steer. We're just going to use a sod cutter. We're going to take the top, I think it's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. We're going to take that 2 inches. What we're doing here, we're going to put a new, instead of rototilling, you're just going to pull up all this old stuff, all right? Pull it all up, end it up. And then we're going to reseed. We're going to topsoil this and reseed this lawn. Small little area. Didn't want to get the skid steer over here. You guys will find this pretty cool. We ran a sod cutter over this. Okay, it's set a little light. I wish it was a little deeper, but as we're rolling it up, you will see the grubs. It is actually May 1st today. Upstate New York. Got some grubs. If I peel around here, it's only about 1 inch. It's a rain day. An inch of sod we cut off. Yep, see, look. They're right at the root level. They're right in there. Oh, another one. Got a pretty bad thing. There's another one. They're right there. Now, they're right at the roots. You'll find them right at the root level. Oh, see? Right here. Another one. Got a worm. That's good. Whoa, just got a lot. A lot of grubs here. This is a compacted soil. Now's the time to whack them. May 1st. There he is. I'll take care of these guys here. Look at them. Son of a gun. You just never know. This is new. This property is new to me, so we're gonna figure it out and see what we got going. Got some worms. It's good. All right.